Apple Vision Pro is a new spatial computing device that lets you experience your favorite apps in a whole new way. With Vision Pro, you can see your apps in your space. Apps appear to float in front of you, and you can interact with them by looking, tapping, and swiping. Create immersive experiences. Vision Pro can track your head movements so you can look around and explore 3D environments. You can also use Vision Pro to watch movies and play games on a massive virtual screen. Stay connected with others. Vision Pro makes it easy to have FaceTime calls with friends and family. Your face and hand movements are captured in real time, so the people you're talking to feel like they're right there with you. Vision Pro is powered by a dual-chip design that includes the M2 chip and a new chip called R1. The M2 chip provides the performance you need for demanding tasks, while the R1 chip handles sensor data and spatial mapping. Vision Pro is a powerful new device that will change the way you use your favorite apps. It's the future of spatial computing. Vision Pro features a micro-OLED display system with 23 million pixels per eye for stunning clarity and realism. Vision Pro also features a state-of-the-art spatial audio system that delivers personalized sound to your ears. Vision Pro uses advanced 3D mapping technology to create immersive experiences that feel like they're actually happening in your space. Vision Pro is a revolutionary new device that will change the way you use your favorite apps. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit a like and do subscribe to this channel for such exciting videos.